This is the NOKIA X30 I have in front of me, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set up and use the VPN/proxy connection on this device. So to start off, I would like to say that we are going to use the free Play Store app for it. So connect your phone to the Wi-Fi, open the Play Store. At the search bar, type in Turbo VPN. That's the name of the app that we are planning to use. Then install it. After the app has been downloaded and installed, launch it. Agree on the terms and continue. Skip the ad that you will get right about now. In order to activate the VPN connection, to start it, just tap on this little caret icon over here. Wait until the rabbit will fill up this little bar that you had. And as you can see by this little icon at the status bar, the VPN connection has been activated. Once it is enabled, you can change the server that it uses. So some of those servers are only available at the premium version, but the free application instance has good enough set of servers available to you, so I guess that's good to know. Once you are done with any task that you wanted to have a VPN for, in order to turn it off, just open the app, tap on this little cross icon, confirm your choice by going for the disconnect option, and that will be it. The Wi-Fi has been successfully terminated. Not Wi-Fi, my bad, excuse me. The VPN connection has been successfully terminated. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.